Embark on a fascinating journey into the heart of literature, where moments of profound realization, epiphanies, transform characters and propel plots toward new directions. This exploration, meticulously crafted for AP English literature students, aims to illuminate the pivotal role of epiphanies in literary narratives, shedding light on how these moments of clarity shape characters, influence plot development, and enhance thematic depth. By delving into the essence and impact of epiphanies, we seek to equip students with the insights necessary to excel in AP English literature and to foster a deeper appreciation for the art of storytelling. Unveiling epiphanies in literature. An epiphany in literature is a moment when a character experiences a sudden insight or realization that dramatically alters their understanding of themselves or their situation. Far from being mere plot devices, epiphanies are crucial elements that reflect the complex journey of self-discovery and transformation characters undergo. Understanding epiphanies is key for AP English literature students, as it enables a deeper engagement with the characters' internal landscapes and the narrative's thematic explorations. Character transformation through epiphanies. Epiphanies often mark a turning point in a character's development, signaling a shift in their beliefs, decisions, or actions. These revelations can lead to growth, change, or even downfall, depending on the nature of the insight and the character's response. By analyzing how epiphanies contribute to character arcs, students can uncover the layers of character psychology and motivation, appreciating the nuanced portrayal of human experience in literature. Driving plot development with epiphanies. Beyond character development, epiphanies play a significant role in advancing the plot. These moments of realization can prompt decisive actions, resolve conflicts, or introduce new dilemmas, serving as catalysts that move the story forward. Students should examine how epiphanies are woven into the narrative structure, considering their timing and impact on the plot's progression and resolution. Epiphanies and thematic resonance. Epiphanies are deeply intertwined with the themes of a literary work, offering insights into the universal questions and ideas explored within the text. Whether addressing themes of love, identity, morality, or existential discovery, epiphanies bring thematic concerns into sharp focus, providing readers with a reflective lens through which to consider the work's deeper meanings. Analyzing the connection between epiphanies and themes allows students to engage with the text on a more profound level, exploring the author's philosophical or moral commentary. The craft of creating epiphanies. Authors employ various narrative techniques to craft epiphanies, using descriptive language, symbolism, and dramatic tension to build up to these moments of insight. The portrayal of epiphanies may range from subtle shifts in perception to dramatic revelations, depending on the author's stylistic choices and the narrative's tone. Students should pay attention to how epiphanies are presented in the text, analyzing the literary devices used to convey these transformative moments and their emotional weight. Examples of epiphanies in literature. From James Joyce's exploration of epiphanies in Dubliners to the poignant realizations in Kate Chopin's The Awakening, literature abounds with examples of characters experiencing enlightening moments of truth. By studying these and other examples, students can gain a richer understanding of how epiphanies function across various genres and periods, appreciating their versatility and significance in storytelling. Interpreting epiphanies. A guide for analysis. To effectively interpret and analyze epiphanies in literature, students should 1. Identify the epiphany and the circumstances leading up to it. 2. Examine the character's transformation or the shift in their understanding. 3. Consider the epiphany's impact on the plot and its role in resolving or complicating conflicts. 4. Explore how the epiphany connects to the work's themes, enhancing thematic exploration. 5. Analyze the narrative techniques used to convey the epiphany and its significance. Incorporating epiphanies into literary essays. When writing literary analysis essays, incorporating an examination of epiphanies can provide insightful perspectives on characters, plot dynamics, and themes. Students should aim to articulate the significance of epiphanies within the narrative, supported by textual evidence and thoughtful interpretation, demonstrating a deep engagement with the text's emotional and intellectual layers. In conclusion, the exploration of epiphanies in literature offers a window into the transformative power of insight and realization in shaping characters, driving narratives, and enriching thematic complexity. For AP English literature students, mastering the analysis of epiphanies not only prepares them for academic success but also deepens their appreciation for the nuances of storytelling and the profound capacity of literature to reflect and explore the intricacies of human consciousness. As we unravel the significance of these moments of truth, we unlock a deeper understanding of the art of literature and its enduring impact on readers and society.